Hey, how's it going? I'm Nick Gaska and welcome to ICOULDDOTHAT.DIY. Today's project's super easy and we're just using some scrap wood I have lying around. We're using a 10-inch piece of pine and some 2x4s. I don't really have anywhere to sit, so I'm going to make myself a stool. So come on, let's go make a stool. We're going to start by ripping down the 2x4s so that the edges are square and then ripping them down again so that they end up being 1.5 by 1.5 inch boards. After that's all done, let's mark and measure the boards. The cut list is now on the screen. For the 1.5 inch pieces, we're going to need 4 6-inch pieces, 4 11-inch pieces, and 4 15-inch pieces. The seat top is going to be 9 by 14. Alright, let's sand everywhere. After that's all sanded, we'll use a pocket hole jig to drill pocket holes in all the support posts. We'll do 2 on each support post and some additional on the top ones to attach the seat top. And I'm just going to sand everywhere again. Okay, time to assemble. So I'm going to glue and drill together with some pocket hole screws. Make sure you start with the short side first, so it'll be a lot easier. Wipe away any excess glue as you go. Also use some clamps to help secure while assembling. I'm just using a piece of scrap board to indicate the placement of the bottom post. After the short sides are together, I'll connect them to the long sides. Once the frame is complete, we'll attach the seat top. After that's completely dried, I'm going to router the seat top edge and the outside of each leg with a roundover bit. More sanding. And the stool's complete. Looks good. Can definitely hold a person. Cool. So here's the finished result. I definitely learned a lot in the process of making the stool. It was pretty easy. I'm probably just going to leave mine plain for now, but feel free to paint or finish it if you desire. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope it helped. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest projects. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!